Hey, what's up everybody? Thank you for watching, and in today's video I want to show how we set up our double-sided wood backdrop. One side is stained wood, the other side is a white wall. This wall is an 8 foot by 8 foot. Each post has a slot that we slide in each of the wood panels. We usually set the bottom one first and put a screw on each side to the wood side. Since it's more of the rustic look, you don't really see any of the screws. We don't put any screws on the white side, and usually we'll put a screw maybe every 3 or 4 panels just for safety. We just put a screw in, screw out, and we've tried other methods, but honestly the quickest way is just to carry a screw gun and just to screw one side in, screw the other side, and it works perfectly fine. And it makes it really stable. Actually, we've had times before we've set this up and the clients wanted to move it over and just picked up one side, picked up the other, and just kind of slid it over a little bit at a time, and it stays together very sturdy. I like this wall. We rented out a lot. This setup was actually maybe less than 30 minutes. I believe we priced this one at around $550, which is just like a basic setup, a backdrop with a happy birthday sign and a custom Ida sign that I showed in a previous video how I created that sign. I believe I charged $35 for that sign, and plus the delivery fee. The setup was maybe around 4 p.m. and we picked it up around 10 o'clock that night. With our basic setups of just the backdrop in the garland, we try to keep the garland all together at once. So that one was a 16-foot garland, and then she brought some clusters to kind of bring out some of the spots just to make it pop. We tie the happy birthday and the Ida sign with fishing string, and we just run it through the back. So if you're definitely thinking about doing like a rustic wood wall or anything, this one with the slots and the screws is definitely a good way to try it out. It's worked really great for us, and it's very sturdy. We've done a lot of outside events with it, no problem. If we have to and we're not sure about if it's a little windy, we'll put some sandbags in the back. And then at the very top of each of the posts, I have 2 hooks that we leave in there, 2 small little anchor hooks. And that's where we tie the 260 or the fishing string, basically the balloon garland, to it. And so we definitely get a lot of requests for the rustic wood backdrop. A lot of people love it. Watching this video, and please like and subscribe. It really helps our channel grow.